Ayun. Oh, sarap na yan. Talagang they accept pa Mastercard. Going to show you the Fiesta Extravaganza Festival here in Hamilton. Let's see. There you go. Wow. Best ribs. Dito tayo sa barbecue. Sarap si Kuya.
You want to try a sample?
No, right there, right there.
We have a deal going on right now. One right here? Okay. Going on right there. With rice, salad, and the pork, and the wine. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Step right up, folks. Step right up. Come and get it, folks. Come and get it. We got ribs, we got beef, we got pulled pork, we got brisket. You name it, we got it, folks. You name it, we got it.
Na ating mga makakasama. And again, my name is Bong G.
And I am Kimberly Gray Ortiz. Thank you so much for having me, Hamilton Extravaganza.
And now, let's all welcome our new partner!
LA and
Queen B!
Vivian.
Ayan! Hello, hello, hello. Alin ba gusto mong
Thank you so much, guys! Hello, Hamilton!
Ay, ang energy talaga. Energy talaga, be.
Yes, naka-Red Bull. Okay pa ba kayo, guys?
Thank you na. Bye-bye na. Bye.
Thank you! Thank you so much!
Parang gusto mong labanan yung mga bata kanina.
Gusto ko kasi sumayaw, hindi ako
Walang pakiramdam.
More street food.
Yeah, magandang hapon po. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is L.A. Bonzon, and it's my pleasure to be here co-hosting with a beautiful...
Sexy. This is Queen B. My name is Vivian Villalobos. I'm an actor and a host of Jimmy. And you can elect lahat na po. And it's an honor to be hosting with Super Sexy LA.
Hindi ka naman nagkakamali dyan, Miss B.
Na-request ko talaga.
Hindi ka
Grabe ko, marami naman naka-host pero ikaw never.
Oh, it's my honor.
good.
Queens, di ba naman ang ka-host mo today?
Ito naman tayo, dito tayo. Masarap ang alamang.
Ito po, ang sarap
Ayan.
po. Yan.
Patikim.
Ito kuya, kumuha ka.
Hindi, sige na. Thank you.
Sige na.
Salamat.
Oh,
Iya
ito.
ako.
Ito.
No, okay lang.
Sige lang, isa. Ito po. Sorry man.
Ayan.
Bumili na po kayo.
I know.
Titikim tayo ng manggang may alamang.
may 5% discount. May ano ako, Timang. Advertising.
Ang sarap ng alamang niya. Parang maanghang pa.
Oh, masarap.
Sigaw ang mga taga-Hamilton. Tulad sa
It's mango. Green mango. With shrimp.
Dalawang puti.
Shrimp paste. Yeah, tastes good.
Thank you. Okay. Yan, may photo pa. Okay pa ba yung...
Good ko si ate titikim. Ate, tikim ko nga.
Oh, diba? Kasi babayad na kami. Baka makalimutan.
Ayun.
Baka libre na.
Talagang street food to.
Yan,
Oh.
pwede debit. Isa na po? Isa.
Yes, grabe. Congratulations, Sparks for the whole team.
Yes, guys. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga organizers.
Taho.
Yes, volunteers and sponsors. Yes.
Bakit mo na yan? Sige, salamat tayo.
At sige, repeat natin ang ating
Sarap ng kain natin. Tastes good. Good.
Ikaw naman.
Okay. Tapos ang just sa experience, if possible,
Later.
May pagkukulaman din kami. More of this. Ayan. Hi po. Say hi to kuya. Hang out. Hang out tayo. Hang out.
Ayan, thank you po. At salamat po sa ating mga major sponsors. And with Lorenzo Taxes and Accounting.
Potato Queen.
And of course, JT Lorenzo of
Potato Queen. Meron bang king?
Oh, ayan. Family and a business coverage. That is invited people. Ayan. And of course, Alano of
Wow. Lots of food. Daming pagkain dito. Dito tayo sa Mix. Oh, ayun. Wow. Carioca. I'll buy later. May turon pa. Ayun. Turon at mani. Aba. Kubuti. Kubata. Kubuti. And this is more Filipino food. Oh, sarap niyan. Talagang they accept pa Mastercard. Walang kawala. May cash na, may card pa. Kinisiksik pa. Sarap kaya halo-halo nila. Ha? Sino? Yan. Ang talagang sarap ng pagkakahanay. Maubos kaya to? Kakunti ang tao. Show my sauce. Yun. May sauce pa.
And of course, yung malaking
Ayun. Kay Rigos.
authentic.
Kay Rigos. Talaga.
Ay, yung malakihan ng parang pa-free fest ang dating.
Kay Rigos Restaurant. Dito naman si FB Food.
First time.
Wow. FB Food. Sarap. The authentic Filipino food. Yo. Siopaw. Pulled pork sandwich.
Salamat po.
All of
Ready
it.
na ang ating next band. Excited na po tayo.
Inupisahan ko kanina ng mga beauty. Tinapos po namin.
Oh, diba?
Nagsayaw ng mga SP19 kanina. Ngayon naman, banda. Ayan.
Yeah, magra-rap-rapan po tayo hanggang mamayang gabi dito. And of course, we have a special guest tonight. Queen B, sino ba itong pupunta mamaya? Nandito na
Wow.
siya eh.
So excited ako dyan.
This one looks good.
Sobrang marami na ipanalo awards dito sa Pilipinas.
Poster. How much goes?
Because of her singing prowess.
Kilala natin siya. Marami na siya mga OPM songs na pinasikat. At also sa mga karaoke din, di ba? Mga kanta niya. So, abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating special guest.
Looks good.
Wala ko naintindihan.
I know. Basta ko, naiintindihan niyo po ba kami? Okay, basta.
Wala! Nakagano sila sa atin.
Ayan.
Narinig
Okay.
nila yung sound check din.
Hindi pa. Ready na rin. Hindi pa sila ready. Ayan. Alam mo, kahit umuulan, dito yung mga tao talaga nakapila pa rin para makabili ng mga, mga
Sobra.
Filipino food.
Yeah, kasi ano po, inaabangan talaga nila eh. In the month of July, sa 10 August, para lang sa Hamilton Fiesta Extravaganza. I think this is the biggest event sa lugar na. Oh, sure. Marami ng panamit din yung mga
May $10 cash kayo.
Wala akong kain. Wala akong kain.
Yes, at ako mamaya, at hindi pupunta ako mamaya dun sa may mga tindahan ng mga bayong.
Eh, salo-salo.
Ano mo na, summer.
Salo-salo.
Bago pa. Ayan, ate.
Ayan, salo-salo.
Bayong. Outfit of the day.
Kaya ako pa, mag-size ko na, girl. Ako may classes kayo.
Ay, nako, yeah, next time daw, dadalhin natin. And of course, yung belly egg. Ayan, may mga balut dyan.
Balot na bangit mo. Yan.
Okay.
Excited na ako dito.
Okay. Ruby, papakilala ko na sila, okay?
Pero mga bata po ito sa banda na to. Pinapakita lang natin that if we have children, we can develop them early para po maano sila sa music. Parang ikaw, yung mga anak mo.
Yes. And then Fiesta Extravaganza is a good platform to showcase Filipino talents. And not just Filipino talent, but every talent.
Yes, right. So, okay.
Okay, and ito na po. Next to conquer our stage is a new youth band fronted by 10-year-old Lance on drums. Wow, 10-year-old.
Sabi sa'yo, bata.
Bata.
Nag-start ka na to 4? Ilang taon ka?
Pitus.
Kaya kung nag-start ka, 7? Ilan? 4 na?
Tayo ha. Baka manalo tayo ng kotse.
Yes,
Ayun, ayun. Ano ba yan?
Yes, rainbow po. Rainbow system.
Okay.
Yeah. So this
O
one.
sige, ikaw ba mag-spin?
Kayo po ang
Ako mag-spin. Isa, video mo ako, mag-spin ako.
Okay, wow. That's
Yeah.
Alright po. So let me tell you po how you can receive this one. So you have two chances. It's either you can do a draw or you're gonna go and spin the wheel and it's a guarantee for you. Whatever you spot, we will deliver it to you. Yes, it's free po.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, spin the wheel. Guarantee. Guarantee po. Guarantee. That means that we will deliver it to your house. Okay? Yes, of course.
Okay, which one is
The hotel vacation. Yeah.
vacation?
Let's go! That's for a car, kuya. That's good for air purifier in your car. So,
Masarap ang ating turon. Street food daw, street food.
Street food turon.
Turun. Okay.
Margaret. Yeah. Vincent. Okay. I can put a name to this. Okay. Thanks so much.
Bye.